Oh yeah, well, we've got the one side completed, and I must say it came out pretty good. Finished this off today and spent a little bit of time under the engine bay getting rid of the dust and polishing it up a bit. So tomorrow I'm going to start the near side of the car, but I've come to put the door mirror back on and found that it's not really in great condition, so I flattened it down and I'm going to paint the mirror base before it goes back on. I don't want it spoiling the work that I've done, so let's get it looking reasonable. And then tomorrow we'll start on this side. Should be a little bit easier now that I've sort of done the other side and understand what's happening with the paint. So hopefully it's not going to take me as long to get this side done. A few little issues to do that I want to do. I want to flat the grille and tidy that up a bit while that's off. If I can't get it right, I'll repaint it. Just getting the right colour really. But no, I have to say I'm quite pleased. You know, it's starting to look more attractive than it did, and I'm sure by the time everything's cleaned up and dressed, you know, it'll look $1 million. So until I'll get on with it tomorrow, and I'll do another video and let you know how far I'm getting, for those that are interested, of course. And I hope you're enjoying the videos rather than all the photos. Perhaps, you know, I ought to do photos as well. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.